Hey everyone, this is Josh Galvin with Tizish.com. On this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your lead capture buttons into any other styles. Meaning, here's your default lead capture buttons on your site system, and if you want to change it to a different style, that's what this video tutorial is going to show you how to do. So let's go to your admin panel, and in your admin panel, you want to go to this page here called Edit Your Tizish Options, which is found under Appearance and under Edit Tizish Lead Gen Buttons. That'll bring you to this page here. Alright, now on this page, this has a full description of every single button found on our system, meaning you have your home page buttons, you have your buttons on the cross here, and it basically describes them exactly for you. So first, I recommend you read all this just so you get it, and then find the button you want. It's pretty easy to find it because I tell you home page lead capture buttons, and I tell you the location, and I tell you specifically what the default picture is. Alright, and so what you got to do is the following: find the default picture, and then basically what you're going to do is replace these three sections with the new information you want. Alright, so let's pretend, as you see here, I have an example here. Let's just erase this to explain it. But basically, you see here, home page, 3-button row, left button, and the default is deal of the month. Well, that means that here's the home page, here's the 3-button row, and here's this deal of the month. Let's pretend you want to replace this button with a different style button on your site, right? So let's go to a different style. Let's say I want to change it from a style. I want to have a style that's maybe red or blue, and it doesn't matter. So what you want to do is go to demo.tizish.com. Once again, that's demo.tizish.com, and on this site you'll see a drop down menu that has all the styles. What you want to do is find the style that has the button that you want to replace it with. So let's say if this is our default one and you want to replace it with, I'm just going to pick any random style. Let's say you want to replace it with this button found here that's for the deal of the month. Then what you do is the following: you have to first of all do this: right click on the image and save the image onto your computer by clicking that Save Image As. Alright, you have to make sure you save the image on your computer. And once again, you do that by right clicking on it and then putting Save Image. It'll say some other text depending on what browser you use. Now after that, go back to your admin panel and then find the section that has your button. Alright, but before doing that, you want to do the following: go to the section of your site that says Media. Alright, and that's found all the way on the left hand side right here, and it has a thing called Add New. What you want to do is upload this image to your computer. So you click on Add New, and you're going to upload this image to your computer. After you upload the image, here's what I need you to do. Just have this part ready, and I'm going to show you in the next 2 minutes what to do. Click on Edit after you upload the picture, and what you're going to look for is the following. See where it says File URL. This is what we're going to need in a moment. So first, now let's go back to our actual admin panel, or our Edit button section that we were on. So we were under Deal of the Month. So here's what you have to do. First, choose your link URL, meaning where do you want this button to now link to. Alright, so let's just pretend I want this to link to Google. I'm doing this just as an example, but you would never do this. Alright. Now the next one is Image URL. If you want to use one of our images that, like I showed you, then what you have to do is go back to your section here, see where it says File URL, take this file URL and now copy it and paste it into this section here. If you don't want to use one of ours, then make one on your own that follows these dimensions. That's important. Alright. Now the last thing is mouse hover text. What the mouse hover text refers to is the following: when you hover over an image, so you see that little box that comes up with text. Notice how it says View the Demo Beach Deal of the Month. Enter the keywords that you want this to say when someone hovers over it. And here's a tip: make sure you use your primary city in it. So if Demo Beach is the example city for this video, I would say something like, just pretending it goes to Google, Demo Beach Google search. I'm just making that up. So now after you do that, we've done the following: we put our mouse hover text, we put our link URL, and we put our image URL. You have to put all three when you change a button. If your link URL is the same, then just take the link and make sure it's the same link. But the point is, you have to fill in something in all three. After that, just go ahead and click on Save, found here at the bottom. And after you saved, you'll see that it says Saved. And let's look at how it was before. This was our default one, and now our new one is as follows. We scroll down, and here's our new one. So that's how it works. Go ahead and try it out.